All right, what's up, everybody? It is day 17 of my 75 hard challenge, and here's my daily challenge question to you. So, what community or tribe are you a part of that are helping you to achieve the goals that you have set for yourself? So, there was a study that was done where there were a group of people who were part of them, they were trying to lose weight, part of them were part of a community, and part of them were not. And what they found was the people who were part of a community lost 20 pounds, and the people who didn't or were not part of a community had only lost 9 pounds. So there was a 225% difference between the two groups. So what does that mean? Well, it just goes to show that you can't do it alone. So who is part of your tribe or community that can help you to achieve your goals? Or are there people out there who you want to belong, or tribes that you want to belong to, that can help you achieve those goals? Because, as we said, no one can do it alone. So that's day 17 in the books, and onward and upward. We'll see you tomorrow.